nagbabark kasi na aso sa labas.
Nagsabark.
May nagbabark na aso po. Hey! Bark! No barking, ha? No! I told you no barking. Okay? No barking, ha? You're not getting out if you are barking. Come here. Come here. Ayaw mong lumabas? Ayaw lumabas din. Come here. I told you no barking. Because it's night time. And the people will get mad to you and to us. Okay? So you don't need to bark. You wanna bark? I'm gonna put you back in there. Or I'll put you blanket. Okay? No, 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 no. Bad. Okay? Understand? No barking, ha? Kikinig tayo. No barking na because it's night time.
Titingin.
People sleeping. Come on, look at me. People